Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to correctly refill the Stapler Cartridge R3 in your Fujifilm Apeos photocopier. This step-by-step tutorial shows how to access the finisher, remove the R3 stapler unit, load the new Staple cartridge, and reinstall it safely, without causing jams, misfires, or finisher errors. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.